That's my Harbor Freight shed, 10 by 17. This is the first snowstorm on it. But I'm looking at it. I mean, a lot of snow has fallen, but there's no snow on top. I wonder why. I mean, I don't want no snow on top, because that means I have to go out and hit it from the inside. But I'm looking at that bottom part right there, and I see that air is going in. It's also open in the back, just like that. So air is going in, and I guess the air is pounding the inside walls. That's why I don't see any snow on top. It's actually doing maintenance itself. I'm not doing anything. Interesting. It's actually the air circulation is actually taking the snow off the roof. Nice, interesting. I mean, I haven't done anything. I haven't done any. I've not done any treatments or anything. Guys, that's it. I have not done anything to it. But the air is going in and it's pounding the walls inside. And that's what's causing for the snow to not to accumulate on the roof. I don't know if you can probably see it. Yeah, you can probably see the wind going in the shed. From the bottom. See? From that front door, the back is the same. And it's actually doing justice. Nice. From the front door, the back door is the same way. So that's probably why. Oh, nice. It's actually, I don't have to, yeah, probably pound it or anything from the inside. I don't think there's not going to be snow accumulation on that. That's awesome. Yeah, guys, that's it. That's the whole thing. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. There's supposed to be more snow falling, so I'll see you tomorrow. All right. It's next day of the storm. The storm probably brought in maybe, I don't know, maybe a couple of inches. Yeah, as you can see, the Harbor Freight canopy shed 10 by 17 didn't actually wasn't even touched much. Talking about the roof, roof's excellent. Nice. There's no roof on top. All the snow, it's like on the sides. All the snow that fell on top of the roof, it's on the side, and the roof is clear. Nice, I'm impressed. It's still snowing a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna accumulate. Nice.